Roll tape. Okay, so today for math class we're going to do a brief demonstration on adding unlike numbers, and we're going to have to do some conversion. So let's jump into it. Away we go. Alright, so let's start with the numbers. 2.25 plus 1/4. Ooh, is that scary looking? Let's be paying attention, guys. Is this scary looking? Why is that maybe a little scary looking, Abby?
No, it isn't.
Oh, it is.
So do you want to demonstrate this for us?
No.
No. Okay, this might be a little challenging for most of you, so please pay attention as we go through this.
I get it.
Okay, let's go through it though, because this one you can almost do in your head if you thought through it. However, I want to show you how to do it on paper. So let's watch here. So can we add a decimal number to a fraction?
No.
No, we must convert one of them to be like the other one, and then we can add them. So let's go ahead and try doing that now. Let's convert 2.25 into a fraction. Okay, so let's break it down. We have two parts here. We have the whole number part, watching, and we have the decimal part. Okay, so let me ask you this. If I convert the 2 to fraction form, does it change?
No.
No, 2 is still 2, correct? So the whole number portion stays the same. So this is going to convert. Let's rewrite it down here. 2.25 is going to equal 2 wholes. Now we have to take a look at our decimal part. So we're going to examine 0.25. Now we did a video on this a couple days ago last week. Do you remember how to convert a decimal into a fraction? Anybody? Alright, well we're going to put our equal sign. It's really this simple. Alright, we're going to make our fraction line. And we're going to put a number on the top. What number goes on top?
2.
Actually, this whole number goes on top. So 25 goes on top, but the question is, what goes on bottom?
2.
Well, if you remember, it's going to be a factor of 10, which means it's going to start with a 1, followed by some zeros. Now, how do we know how many zeros to put?
2.
We do put 2. Nathan, explain that for us.
You see how many are after the decimals.
That's correct. You see how many places or how many numbers you have after the decimal point, which is 1, 2 places. So how many places do we have? 2, which means we're going to put how many zeros after the 1? We're going to put 2 zeros after the 1. And then what do we do? Because this is not reduced, correct?
No.
We want to reduce that, don't we? So we ask ourselves, what number can we divide into both 25 and 100? What number divides into both of those?
5.
5 does. There's a bigger one, but let's go ahead and do 5. So what's 25 divided by 5?
5.
5, okay. What's 100 divided by 5?
50.
Actually,
No,
it's
not
not 50. It's 20. Okay, so can I reduce this now? Can I divide the same number into 5 and 20? What number is that?
5.
5. That's correct, Wesley. Good job on those. 5 goes into 5 how many times? Once. 5 goes into 20 how many times?
4.
4 times. So what's my fraction part?
1 more.
1/4. So I'm going to put my fraction part up here with my whole number part. So I have 2 and 1/4. Now, let me ask you this. Can I complete my problem now?
Yes.
All right, so let's rewrite what we have, okay? We have 2 1/4. Whoops, that's not how we write 2 1/4. We have 2 1/4 plus 1/4. Can I add these together?
Yes.
Yes, so I'm going to add my fraction parts together. So we'll come down here to finish this. What's 1/4 plus 1/4?
It's 2 2/4.
That is correct, because 1 plus 1 equals 2/4. But can I reduce my 2/4?
Yes, by 2.
I can divide both of those by 2. What's 2 divided by 2?
1.
1. 4 divided by 2?
2.
Is 2. So my ultimate fraction will be 1/2. So my ending number will be 2 and 1/2, also known as 2 1/2. There's a few steps to that. Let's recap real quick. We took one of our numbers, in this case the decimal, and we turned it into a fraction. How did we do that? Well, we separated off the whole number, then we took our decimal, and we converted our decimal into a fraction. And then we reduced our fraction down, reduced it again, and then we added our fraction back into our whole number to get our ending fraction. Then we took